Do you want to make someone fall deeply in love with you? This ancient love spell is simple yet incredibly powerful. It's designed to align your energy and ignite a bond that can't be broken. Let's get started. Step 1. Take a blank piece of paper and a red pen. Write the full name of the person you desire in the center of the paper. Below it, write your own name, crossing over theirs as if your energies are merging. Step 2. Draw a heart around both names, and within the heart, write the word love 3 times. As you do this, focus on the feelings of love, joy, and connection you want to share with this person. Imagine their smile, their warmth, and the way they make you feel. Step 3. Sprinkle a small pinch of sugar or cinnamon onto the paper. Sugar symbolizes sweetness, and cinnamon brings passion and energy to your intention. As you sprinkle, say this affirmation aloud 3 times. Your heart is sweetened for me. Your thoughts are drawn to me. Our love grows stronger each day. Step 4. Fold the paper toward you 3 times, sealing your intention. Each time you fold, repeat. With this fold, our hearts come closer together. Hold the folded paper in your hands for a moment. Close your eyes, and visualize your bond growing stronger with every heartbeat. Step 5. Place the folded paper under your pillow before bed. As you lie down to sleep, whisper their name 3 times and say, "As I dream of you, so you dream of me." Our love is destined and unbreakable. Let the energy carry your intention into the universe. Optional boost. If you have a rose quartz crystal, place it near your pillow to amplify the energy of love. You can also light a pink or red candle while performing the spell for extra power. Final step. Keep the paper under your pillow for 7 nights. Each night, visualize their love growing for you, and trust in the process. After 7 nights, burn the paper safely as a way to release the energy and let the universe take over. This spell is deeply powerful. Use it with good intentions and a pure heart. Love is energy, and when focused, it can create miracles. Try this tonight, and let us know your experience. Like and follow for more magical love spells and manifestation rituals.